Okay, so this was the kitchen right before we moved in last year. As you can see, it's pretty much unfinished, and this is what it looked like as soon as we were handed the keys. So a lot of chrome, but we didn't like that, so here's what it looks like now. Echo, turn off kitchen. Echo.
Okay.
Open kitchen shades.
Okay.
In today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding some wood slats to the top of the cupboard. So in the kitchen, usually what we've done so far is add some wood slats to the living room, to my workspace, and to the bedroom. So the plan when we got this place last year was to add wood slats throughout the house. So we want to kind of give this house some kind of a theme. And so now we're onto the kitchen. So we found, this empty space that we couldn't do anything with right above the cupboard and decided, we're going to add some wood slats there. Up until now, we've also done some other DIY work, in the kitchen here to enhance the space in general. And I'll get into that as soon as we're done, adding the wood slats to the top of the cupboard. But let's not waste any more time. I'm excited to get this done. Let's have some fun, y'all. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about it, and if you guys are working on any projects of your own, especially in the kitchen. Earlier on, we also changed out the chrome style handles for something with more walnut and gold to fit the aesthetic of the house. This was a very quick and easy process that only required a Phillips head screwdriver. The addition of the wood slats also helps make them stand out better. We also added 3 bar stools with a walnut finish to further complement the handles and the overall walnut aesthetic again. The bar stools replaced ones we had brought over from the old place that didn't quite fit with the new theme. I find that these are also super modern and gives the kitchen a more luxurious look. We also had automated blinds installed throughout the house, including the kitchen, and this is one of my favorite things to use in here now. Budget blinds, which we ordered the roller shades from, sent a technician over to do the mounting, but I ended up setting up the hub and shades to be controlled through apps like HomeKit and Alexa. The roller shades come with a black face, which works very well with other blacks within the kitchen. They can also be voice controlled by Siri, Alexa, and Google's Assistant. One of the automations that I've set up allows the shades to open up at 10 a.m. and close at 10 p.m. daily, which I find to be very convenient. In our quest to get rid of all the chrome finishes in the kitchen, we also replaced the faucet. We replaced the one that was on there with one from Kraus, which comes with a no-touch motion sensor to activate the flow of water. I love the hands-free feature amongst other things, like the ability to now take off the faucet from its mount and use it in sort of a detached mode. The matte black finish also goes well with the blacks from the fascia on the shades and the slat wall above the cupboards. Installation is going to be very easy if you're used to doing DIY projects around the house already. The house came with recessed lights installed in the kitchen already, but they weren't smart or app controllable, so I switched them out for some 4-inch smart recessed lights from Halo. I then went ahead and grouped them all up for easy control. Alexa, turn on kitchen.
Okay.
If you already have recessed lights installed in your kitchen, switching them out would be pretty quick and easy. If not, the only difference in installation is you'll have to drill holes in your ceiling to fit the recessed lights. The smart lights also have multiple scenes and modes with different light effects and more. They can be set between 2000 and 5000 Kelvin for different color temperatures. They're also dimmable between 1 and 100%. Each recessed light can also be controlled individually, which is great for even more control. Alexa, turn on island lights.
Okay.
The Amazon Echo Show 5 was here when we got it, but I didn't like the speakers on them very much, so I ended up adding a Sonos One to the kitchen. It's also got Amazon's Alexa built in, so in order to prevent it from going off at the same time as the Echo Show, I've given them 2 different wake words. One I've given Echo and the other one I've given Alexa. Alexa, what's the temperature of the house right now?
It's 25.5.
Echo, add pineapples to shopping list.
Pineapples added to your shopping list.
I use the Sonos in the kitchen mainly for listening to music, and the sound quality is amazing. The Echo Show, on the other hand, is great for small tasks like adding things to my grocery shopping list, viewing cameras around the house, and checking on the status of other smart devices like locks and more. Echo, add pineapples to shopping list.
Pineapples added to your shopping list.
Echo, show me front door camera.
Okay.
To give the room a more modern look, I changed out the covers for the power outlets from ones with screws visible to ones without screws visible. This was just as easy as changing out the chrome handles on the drawers and only required a Phillips head screwdriver as well. I also added some smart LED light strips onto the cupboards to add some ambient lights to the space. These ones are from Nanoleaf and they can be controlled by app or voice, which makes them very easy and convenient to use. I've got an automation set up where they're dimmer in the daytime than they are at night. The method of application involves using 3M tape, which comes, already on the strip, so make sure you already know where you're putting them before you stick them on there. The last thing I added was a motion sensor light switch to the pantry area to avoid having to hit the switch every single time I'm in there. The one I've got installed in there is called a Lutron Maestro, and it works very well. You can set the timeout period for the light between 1, 5, 15, and 30 minutes, depending on how long you want the light to stay on for. I set mine to 1 minute since I'm never in the pantry too long. At this point, we'd reached somewhere and things were starting to connect. Everything started to look great. The walnut, the black, and also getting rid of as much chrome as we could. Now the kitchen's got a good amount of walnut and black to match, the entire aesthetic of the house. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about our little DIY project here. Honestly, I'm happy about it, Hannah's happy about it, but I'm pretty sure things are not going to remain the same forever. So we will be doing upgrades in the future, but for now, things are looking great and I'm really happy with the results. As times change, as tech improves, I'm going to have to, keep on upgrading. But that's all I've got for you guys in this video right here. I hope you guys found this one enjoyable to watch. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're new to the channel and if you enjoy watching DIY projects like this one. And I will catch you guys in my next video. It's Tommy with Midas Tech, and I'm out, y'all.